In this video, I will be showing you how to make this insane car elevator effect in DaVinci Resolve. First step is to copy your clip. Go to the first frame and freeze the frame. Drag it to the size you want. I recommend it lasting for about 2 seconds. Position the layers like I do. Now copy the freezed frame. Open the upper clip in color page. We will be removing the car. Make a random mask on the ground or a wall or whatever you want to use to hide the car. Add alpha output. Move to the sizing window and change the value so it covers the car. This step is important for the end looks of this effect, so take your time to make it look as realistic as you can. Add some softness so it fades in nicely. You can also use apps like Photoshop or some free object removal website on Google. Copy the original freezed layer and open it in color page. Take your pen tool and mask out the car. Add alpha output and add some softness. Position the clips like I do. Add a black solid layer. Combine all the freezed clips into one new fusion clip. Now, rename all the media IN nodes. I will change the position of these nodes so it doesn't look so complicated after we add all the other nodes. Select the solid node and add DVE. Change the rotation values so it looks like a hole on the ground. Copy the background node. Add a merge node to it and attach them. Drag a polygon node and attach it to the background node. Now, make a mask like I do. This will make the effect that the car actually comes from the ground. Now, as you can see, the car goes inside the hole. Select the car node and add transform. Go to a point where you want the effect to start and add a keyframe for center Y. Change the values until you can't see the car. Go forward about 30-40 frames. Add a keyframe and bring the car to its original value. Open the spline window and make the graph similar to mine. Copy the original background node once again. Rename it Elevator Floor. Add a merge and a polygon node for it. Detach the car node from the transform so we can see the solid fully. Select the polygon and make a mask around the solid. Attach the polygon to the elevator floor. Add a transform node so we can animate the floor. Make the keyframes similar to the car's keyframing so they move in a sync. Now open the spline window and make the graph look the same as the car's. Now, attach the background node so it looks like it comes from the ground. Select the car node and add a drop shadow. Adjust it so it looks somewhat realistic. Add a smooth cut so the clips fade nicely. Now go to the Fusion page and add motion blur to the transform nodes. That's basically it.